Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In raising funding, investors look to see where the startup is in finding product market fit. Here are some key tests to check how close your startup is to product market fit. Demand outstrips supply. The startup finds itself constantly adding more server space for customers. The startup finds itself hiring more team members to manage the customer load. The product value shows through. Customers find value in the product and tell you so. Sales appear to be closing more quickly. The word of mouth from the users generate a faster close rate. Cash in the bank account appears to be growing faster than before. There's buzz in the market. The press wants to write about your company. You receive unsolicited comments about the excitement around your startup. Proof of product market fit shows up in customer usage, increasing sales, financial metrics, and word of mouth. It's often clear to see when you have product market fit. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.